Hey Jacob, I saw your post over on WordPress Beginners about the Edit with Elementor button not showing up on your site. Um, as we're talking about a homepage, there are two typical situations. One, if this is a template being used over the index, the Edit with Elementor won't show up um, because it's being treated as an index of your blog post and it's not directly editable. I don't think that's the case though here because it's Elementor and the way you have it structured. So most likely the issue is that we don't have Edit with Elementor button turned on for the post type that you're using on your home page. It's a quick and easy fix, so you just need to pop into your Elementor settings page and come down and make sure that you have it turned on for all the appropriate post types. By default, Elementor is only turned on for posts and pages. So you make sure it's turned on for landing pages and any other post types you might have. Hit save, and then you should get that bar back here. If it doesn't show up, um, you may have a plugin blocking it. If that's the case, you could try disabling them one at a time to see which is causing the issue. But it might actually just be simpler to edit the page or jump to the Elementor editor through the short link here. As long as you see Elementor next to the name here, you should have this edit button. It's not ideal because you can't just jump straight from the page, but it is still accessible directly through this link. Hopefully switching that setting on and off helps here. If not, and you're still struggling or frustrated with it, just post back and we'll see if we can help you out. Good luck.